we're sitting in the building that needs the work.
Yes, so a little adaptation, yes. Crosby Brownlee submitted a proposal to replace the HVAC in this building. Because of the, I guess, the urgent nature of it, we will be finalizing that contract, but it is not to exceed the amount that was provided in the proposal. And the proposal will also be piggybacking off of the contract that Crosby Brownlee has with Monroe County, and be subject to those terms and conditions.
Do you think that whoever makes that motion should say not to exceed 64,700?
Correct.
I think the resolution we have in front of us says 65. Do you want to do it at the 64,
That was
799?
Here.
We just want to be sure we read it correctly. We're talking about a discrepancy of
Yep.
$201.
Yeah.
$201,000. $201.
Yeah, the resolution would be not to exceed the stated amount of $64,799.
I feel like Councilwoman Wynn should read this resolution because she's always the one who's attempting to change the temperature in this room because we're all freezing.
Oh, you caught me off guard. Yeah,
I think you should read it and get it going.
Okay, so.
I'm sorry, I did catch you off guard. Do you want me to?
Yeah. So we're doing number 7, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. I would move to have authorized the supervisor to sign the Crosby Brownlee contract to replace the heating, hot water pumps, and associated modifications to reheat for the town court building for the amount not exceeding $64,799.
Second.
Councilwoman Wynn,
Aye.
Councilwoman Cataldi,
Aye.
Supervisor Flaherty,
Aye.
Councilwoman Wright. Aye.